Hello guys, today I'm back with another video. Today I'm not going to teach you about anything new, but I have something to share for you guys. So what I made for you guys is a custom portfolio website. It is based on HTML, CSS and plain JavaScript. So if you're a fan of the vanilla, I suggest you might use this as a reference or a template for making or designing your own portfolio website. So here's the readme file, and I'll show you a quick demo of this project. So first of all, let me clone this, and we will first clone this. Okay, we have cloned it. Let's get inside this directory, and if we list it, we have our inside our directory. Inside our directory, we have the index.html, so we should be running that. So let me open one of this. So wait, let me first full screen. Go to full screen. So this is our website. So here I have left a placeholder where you can write your name that will be displayed in this manner, and here comes your profile picture, and at the side you can give a glimpse of what your programming language or the tools and platform. In the background, this is just a port of the particle.js. I have used it in background, and we can also change theme if you are like me who prefers a dark theme. I have given the option for that. And in the project section, I've simply used a bookmark which will slide you down at the project showcase. Here you can put your projects and display it. So let's say this is the project, this is the photo of the project. When you click it, it will pop open the project screenshot, and you can also put that project link if you have uploaded it in YouTube, or the GitHub link of that project repository, or you can even go to a separate project HTML page specifically that will say something about the project. And you can also put this toggle theme button here, so that for those who like dark theme would always have that. GitHub link here is redundant, but maybe I feel like putting it there. And so this is the main page. It's just a small page, and you can link your own social media platform here. And if you want to go to main menu, you can use these two buttons. These are always there, as in sticky buttons. And in the bio section, I have customized it. These two buttons are not matching in layout, but it's fine. You can adjust it as according to the screen size. Sometimes the screen width would just make it a little bit unsettling, but you can just tweak it. And here you can write your bio, and if you press the read aloud, it will automatically screen read for you, and you can cycle your text style and color. This is short bio page. In the background, you can change your images. And let's go back to main menu. In contact section, you put your profile picture here, and some buttons that will give the contact details about you. Also, I've given option for toggle theme. And finally, we can go to the skill section. Here, in the skill section, your small profile picture will be there, and in this header, whatever your designation will be displayed in a typing fashion, where it will be typed and again erased and whatever designations or titles you put, it will be displayed automatically. And another feature what I added is here is interactable. I made small tiles that can be hovered when I hover my cursor around it, so this can be hovered. And in the background you can see that there is this change of colors. So background color, actually there you can put 4 colors that will change from one to another and give a sense of live feeling in the background, although it is a little bit CPU intensive, but you can see from the margin gap the light inside the background. It was just to give you a type of a live feeling. There is something live going on inside the background. So that was the whole idea of it. And our main box is transparent box, where you could not transparent, it is semi-transparent, semi-transparent box. Here a little bit description about your proficiency. And the main theme of this is sticky note type designation. So here is the logo of your programming language, let's say C++, and this is proficiency level. For example, it's just this is just for demo purpose. And in this section you can write your what are the areas or what are the specific topics you covered into that programming language. And while writing, don't write more than 3 words, because for responsive design I have made it in such a manner that I've used the pre-tag, so it will mess up otherwise if you put more than 3 words in a single line. So in programming language section you have your programming language, and in the tools and technology section you have this. And as you can see, there is a short description about the knowledge of that particular tools and technology, or let's say in case of framework you can put your own knowledge base. And at the bottom you have this download resume. Okay, for download resume, if you click this button you will be taken to the directory where your resume will be placed in PDF format, so that will be displayed in the front so that the user can download it. And this is also responsive. You can try it in smaller screen. It will automatically manage itself. You see the difference. And let's go back to our main page. Your name will be displayed, your projects. You can add more projects, and what next? So, and don't worry about this button. It sometimes acts weird because of the screen resolution, but you can change it. So this is the project that I was working on recently, and I did it all in simply using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I did not use any frameworks, and it was neat kind of project. So after this, let me show you the. I also added custom 404 HTML. This is your custom HTML. This is your custom 404 page. I will return a small quote from one of the characters in the Revenant movie of 2014. And there is button. If you press this button, it will play audio clip, but the audio clip would be the same code but said by this character name is John Fitzgerald. Let me give you a small walkthrough so that you can easily maintain this website as your own. Okay, so in the asset section here are the icons that you can include when you learn new technologies to add in your skills section. This CSS section is only for particle.js. Most of my CSS and JavaScript code are internal, so that since it's just a portfolio page, it will be easy to manage that way. Images, you can choose from various background, or you can even put GIF images as you like. Here is the fab icon. You can generate your fab icon and place it there. And here is your profile directory where you can put your profile images. And this is for particle.js section. And in this project HTML file, you can put your project files. Here is one small project file for the first demo project. You can place your own here. Okay, and here you can put your project screenshot. Right now I only have one project demo screenshot, which is by default, and this is the audio. And in the bio section, so you can understand these are the meta tags. If you are sharing your portfolio page in website, it will automatically pick or know what to pick for showing it in those websites. And this is just the internal CSS. Okay, you can go through this code and you'll get a small understanding of what is going on. So you can change the background for your bio page, and for changing the color and font, while you click that button, this will just combine this whatever it is and render it in this in your bio section box. And this is what it will be displayed. You can just add your bio information here and you can save it. This is for bio section. Let me show you the contacts HTML. In the contacts HTML section, same thing. So here you can change your background image, and you can insert your link. So you can add your GitHub username, YouTube username, and what next? After this URL. Okay. After that URL, that is in the contact section, and in the index section, this is quite lengthy. Here you can see the meta tags, Facebook meta tags and Twitter meta tags. And I've also tried to include a breadcrumb list, which is useful for indexing. But if you don't want to show your breadcrumb list, then you can just comment out this line if you don't want your breadcrumb navigation. Otherwise you can use it. And in the main section, here you can change your programming language, frameworks, tools, and platform preferences. Here's your profile picture, and what is this? Okay, this one is for project showcase, where you can add your project by just simply, if you simply read the description, you can know which section does what. This will open your separate project HTML file, and this will open your this will replace your project screenshot, and you can change the name of the various project in similar fashion. This one's for project 1, this one's for project 2. You can add as much project as you want. Currently there are, I think, 8. So as div, you can add more if you want more projects to showcase. And okay, this is in the footer section. You can put your own Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So you can put your own social media link into those icons. And this is simple JavaScript code. You don't need to go through it all by it. But if you want to change or add more functionality, you can add another JavaScript. You can add your JavaScript code here. What did I do? Okay, no problem. And what next? This particle JS is only for the effect that's shown in the mid section. This one is for sitemap. You can change the priority of your website. So currently I have set always, so it will be always change frequency. I have set to always. So sitemap is for your change frequency of your website. So you can write your domain name, and you can replace your domain name, and you can update your change frequency to whatever value you want. And finally, the skills HTML page. This contains the skill section. These are some basic CSS styles you can just go through it. Most of them are self-descriptive, and this one is for media keys that are intended to perform better in for responsive website design. And the tiles which I was talking about previously, I have hard coded it so that it performs better. So that it performs better in responsive design. Whole idea of simply doing this is to make your website more responsive. You can also use function that would add number of tiles as a child node, but that I saw a little bit of performance drop when changing the screen, so I hard coded it. But you can choose as you like. And and this is the skill column section where you can add your skills. For example, here is that icons which you want to change, and the percentage bar, your skills percentage, you can change it from here. And this is the pre-tag which I have used it, so that the main purpose of using pre-tag was to make it again responsive. But there is one caveat. The caveat is that you don't write more than 3 words in one line. Just remember that for horizontal case, just write at least 3 words, not more than that. Vertically you can write as much you like, it will automatically adjust it, and you can go through it as it is self-explanatory. And there are all the skills you can see. And okay, this is the resume template where you it will search for the resume directory, and your resume.pdf which will be displayed. You can also open it in a new window if you desire, but currently I just simply included it. Or you can put external website URL if you have designed your resume from external sites. And here is your title, here is your skill titles which you can update, and it will just look through each one of them and display it on your on the header. This is the function for typing and editing, you can go through it. And for that live filling of the colors, there are 4 colors to choose from, and you can give your color whatever color you want, and the cycle duration. This is the code for cycling those colors. So all in all, this is this script to build your own portfolio design. So like I say, if you are a fan of vanilla, you would love this project and use it to customize your own way. You can add more features if you like. You can add a experience section if you just desire. This whole navbar can be added with more, but main purpose was to make it maintainable. And if you want to upgrade or if you want to put your own features, you can just fork that project from the GitHub, and just let me know. If you really want to add more features, you can fork this repository and add your features and just send me the pull request. Okay guys, for now this much. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day, and make your portfolio website better. See you guys, bye.